Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to teach what places does a Google crawler will search on a website. I really wanted to cover each and every single topic of digital marketing so that anybody who really have an interest to even good to hear about the theories of digital marketing, these videos will be really helpful. And also I will cover each and every practical session as well. On my description right below this video, I will keep each and every video link or maybe the playlist of digital marketing a link. So when you click on the link, you will find each and every video that is related to digital marketing, and I have made all of these videos in theory as well as practical. So if you follow my videos, by the end of the playlist, you will be too perfect in digital marketing. Alright. Now first thing, we will understand what a Google crawler will search on our website. Now I want to take Click and Capture Studio as an example. By the way, if you are residing in Hyderabad, if you are looking for a wedding model or product photography or even event photography, you can directly call to Click and Capture Studio and book a service. They are really too good at what they do. Now without wasting any time, let's understand about the Google crawlers. Now when the Google crawlers enters the site, they will check the title tags. Title tags are nothing but the name of the web page. When I say a web page, the home page of the website can be called as web page. The services page can be called as web page. Wedding photography, our story, contact us, book now, all these are individual web pages. Now for each and every web pages, there should be a title. So the Google crawler will check the name of the web page that appears in the browser tab. And when it checks, it will understand what our page is about. Now when it comes to click and capture, we can create a new page or maybe a page where we can name the title as affordable wedding photography packages, something like that, so that it will be very useful for the Google crawlers to showcase our website on top of Google search results when someone search for affordable wedding photography packages. The content is very much important. And the second thing, the Google crawlers will search for the meta descriptions. What does it mean? Now imagine that on this home page or maybe on any particular page of Click and Capture Studio, right below the title, if we write something, it can be called as a content, right? But when it comes to meta descriptions, always remember that meta description will be written in the back end of the website. And in this video, I'm not going to show where is that exact place, but you can find that exact video of how we can keep the meta description. I have posted the link in my description also. I will show you one of the simple example of what is a meta description. Now let me navigate to Google and I want to search for 2 BHK flats for sale in Hyderabad and I want to click on enter. Now as we can see, this is going to be the title, and then whatever that we see right below the title can be called as meta description. Now this description cannot be seen on the website by the viewers. It is something that we have to keep on the back end of the website. We have to use some of the plugins to keep the meta description, and please find the video where I have did on how we can keep a meta description on any web page. So it will give the Google crawlers a preview of the page content. I hope you understand. Now the next thing that the Google crawlers will search on the website is headings. Now while we are creating the WordPress website, we have seen, right, the headings H1, H2, H3, something like that. When I say H1, it is the main title of the page, and then the subheadings can be called as H2, H3 and so on. So Google crawlers will use the headings to understand the structure and topics of the page. And also in parallel, Google crawlers will also search the content of the website, the text. It will read the articles if you write any, and it will read the descriptions and blogs that we really kept on our website. When it looks at the content, it will understand about the topics and the keywords that we have used. For example, if we write a blog, top 5 wedding photography styles, with some keywords, we have included the keywords like wedding photography and affordable packages in the blog. When someone really is searching with those keywords on Google, when the Google crawlers have seen or read the content, when it finds the words like wedding photography or affordable packages, it will pick our website and show it on top of the Google search engine results page. So the content is very much important. And apart from that, Google crawlers will also search the image alt text. What does it mean? Now I quickly would like to navigate to one of the page. I want to click on services and then I want to click on model photography. Do not worry about the page structure of CNC Click and Capture Studio because it is a new website, and every day we will be doing some kind of activity to bring this particular page into a very good format. Now currently the structure is not very well defined and I have just placed the images. Alright, so coming back to the topic, I was saying about the image alt text, right? What does it mean? Now imagine that you and me are the users or maybe the humans. Now when we click on the model photography, we are seeing these photos, right? I can see a black photo, I can see a red photo. Some colors, we can understand what's inside the photo. But when the Google crawlers have entered into this particular page, they cannot understand what's inside this particular image because the Google crawlers can never be able to understand the images. So it is very much important for us to give the alternative text for each and every image that we are placing on the website. So when we click on edit page, we will be finding the option to keep the alt text. We have to define what this particular image is about. Maybe we can say if it is really related to wedding, we can define like bride and groom outdoor wedding photo shoot at sunset, something like that. We should not just mention wedding photography. So we have to explain the images so that Google will understand. If you really don't know how to keep the image alt text, I even did the video on the same. It will be very easy for you to find. All you have to do is to click on my digital marketing playlist and you can search for that exact topic. You will find the video on it. So the next thing the Google crawlers will search on a website is URLs, the web address. This is called as URL, and it have to be very simple, it have to be clear so that the Google and the users will understand the page. As you can see, clickandcapturestudio.com, and after that we do have just model photography. So when anybody reads, either it might be a Google crawler or the users, they understand that this particular page is all about the model photography. So we have to keep the name of the URL very simple and clear. And also the next thing the Google crawlers will search will be internal links. It is always important to keep the internal links on the website. Now when I say for bookings, so when I click on the home page, redirects us to the book now page, right? So it will help the Google crawlers to know more of our site, and it will understand how many pages are related to each other. And also the Google crawlers will see if there are any external links on our website, the links to other websites from our page. The main reason is the Google crawlers will understand that we have connected to multiple other resources and we are helpful to them or maybe trustworthy. And final thing, let me click on Click and Capture Studio logo. It takes us to the home page. Even the Google crawlers will look onto the navigation menu, the menu bar at the top of our website. It can be home, it can be services, wedding, model, product photography, and pricing packages, about us, our story, contact us. Each and every page will be read by Google crawlers. And final thing, let me completely scroll down till the down of the website. Here we do have footer, right? The bottom section of our website. Now we have kept some of the links, so each and everything will be read by Google crawlers. It will see or maybe check for extra information. It can be address, it can be phone number, or even social media links that we have placed here. I hope you have understand what a Google crawler will search on our website. We understand that it will look at everything that helps to understand what is our website about. It can be title tags, it can be meta descriptions, headings, content, image, alt text, URLs, internal and external links, navigation menu, and finally even the footer. So we always have to make sure that all these parts are very clear and relevant and completely optimized for the best SEO results. And if you have any doubts on this particular topic, I want you to write down a comment below. I will read your comment and I will answer your questions. And for any queries that you have related to digital marketing, also please do not forget to leave the comment. If I really did not do any video on that, I will do a special video for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.